Okay. Um, Here is my, what is it? HubSpot, the marketing hub. This is called a marketing hub. See that? It's called a marketing hub. All these are called hubs. Marketing hubs, hubs, focus all of our sales to supporting a sales group or team. Marketing hub, same thing. All of ads, email marketing campaign, landing page, website stuff, blog, which is it keep you in line on where you need to be guiding your business, your campaign, your templates, okay, your lead forms. That's in marketing. Sales has your task, forecast, deals, documents, meeting, payment, playbook. Playbook is a script. You have your outbound salespeople calling out. They're rolling off a script that's already landed or built into the CRM that you want the messaging platform to be around, whether it's certain service, certain solution, or application, right, or product. Service. This is for the tickets. Uh, Managing tickets, service tickets. But this is actually the form. These are analytics on reading the performance on it, right? See there? 77 view. It has a submission, it has a convert, it has view form, submissions I can view. I don't want to show that information. Direct traffic, I guess, and what those source, it says source. Source means where it's coming in. The activity or the lead, potential lead or prospect will be coming in, right? Organic. Okay, Facebook and LinkedIn is organic. Let's see what Facebook is, right? Okay, and this is the form. This I'm going to clean up and make it more target or laser focus. But this is it. It's pretty cool.